Libra, Libra, Libra. So October 15 to 31st. Yes? Welcome, welcome po. Scorps Work Tarot. Welcome OFW followers. So another week, another month. So hopefully masaya po tayo, healthy, walang illusion. Okay? We're not living on illusion. Yeah? Lahat may clarity. So, October 15 to 31. Tignan natin. Magkape-kape tayo, Libra, fellow OFW. So, sa mga bago po rito na nakakita ng channel ko sa YouTube, so OFW po ako. So, I want to connect with fellow OFW kasi alam ko yung yung mga pinagdadaanan. So, magkape-kape po tayo. So, kung makaresonate, shout out po. Ingat po tayo lahat kung nasaan man tayong parte ng daigdig. So, laban lang. Kung hindi makaresonate, sa susunod na reading po. Sa susunod na reading, huwag pilitin. Yeah? October 15 to 31, Libra. Tignan natin ang mga kapatid nating Librans na still celebrating birthdays. Yeah? Still celebrating birthdays. Okay? So, malapit na yung birthday namin naman. Magkatabi tayo ng sign, yeah? So, Scorpio ako, Libran. Okay? So, tayo? Meron tayong special bond together. So, Libra. October 15 to 31. October 15 to 31. What do you need to know, Libra? What do you need to know? Tignan natin. October 15 to 31. October 15 to 31. October 15 to 31. Okay. Bigyan mo ako. Angel Spirit Guide. Tignan natin. October 15 to 31. October 15 to 31. October 15. Okay. Judgment. Karma. Okay. Weighing scale mo. Balance na naman ulit. So, Archangel Gabriel. Ayan, no? Tumotorotot siya. Okay? Ibig sabihin, lo and behold, Libra, I'm gonna how do you call it? Nawala ako dito. I will spread the judgment and kung ano yung, di ba sa Judgment Day sa Bible, kung ano yung gaano ka tayo naging mabuting mamamayan at naging productive at matulungin, you are being given reward. Yeah? Okay? I do not know. I've noticed the flag na, what is that flag? Switzerland? Okay? Or Finland? Okay? Are you going there? Okay? I can see also parang merong lumilipad na, it's all the cloud, you know, the airplane. Okay? Are you moving there? Libra? Okay. Yeah, yun yung nakita ko. Okay? Yan ba yung energy mo, Libra? It's either this is celebration. Okay? Anything karmic in your favor, you are happy. Lahat tayo happy. Kasi kung ito tayo inaapi-api o naghihintay, ito na yung time na, ay, dumating na, nakapasa na ako. Ay, magaling ako, wala akong sakit, lumitaw na yung x-ray. Ay, dumating na yung inuutang ko sa bangko, so makapagpapatayo na ako ng bahay. Yeah, these are big decision na hinintay mo, tinrabaho mo, pinangarap mo, at pinagpuyatan mo. Okay? Anything about judgment is karma. So how well yung mga nagnanakaw sa DPWH, that's karma. That's during the time of yung hidden lying and fabrication. Okay? And it's coming fast. Okay? Huwag ka na makipagtalo kasi it's a useless effort. Okay? Don't waste your energy on something it's not even helping you or bring you to that level. Ito siya, nag-a-announce ka, hey, aalis na ako or something. I'm happy with what I receive, with where I'm going. Sa balitang natanggap ko. Yung balita na yon is fast moving. Ngayon, some people may be jealous Some people may be happy, but in general, I think most of them are jealous. 5. Kasi hindi nila makita or hindi nila maintindihan bakit mo gagawin yun. And wag mo na pagurin yung sarili mo. Kung pagod ka, the finish line is here. Yeah? Okay? Yung pinaghihirapan mo, yung inspirasyon mo, yung pinasan mo yung buong problema ng ibang tao, yung pangarap mo, pinasan mo, yung pangarap nila, ipinasan mo rin. You've done it. You're done. Okay? And you're already on the finish line. So it's also a judgment call sa mga Libra na I had enough. Okay? I had enough. I have to take kung ano yung para sa akin. Okay? Kung hindi to news na positive, paano ba to? News, it is a positive news. Kung ano yung mangyayari, yung gaganapin, it's positive for you. Okay? Hindi mo nasasayangin yung energy mo para makipagtalo or to prove yourself. Binuhat mo na ang dapat mong buhatin, and now it's time for you to claim something. Okay? You want to redeem it. Redeem. Na para ako yung nagbuhat niyan eh. So, I'm rightfully entitled or rightfully sa akin yung prutas nung binuhat kong, pinutol kong mangga. Yeah? Meron bang ganyan, Libra? Okay. Mukhang ikaw yung nagbigay ng judgment call dito eh. Okay? So, it can work both ways. The universe, pero I can see here na yung universe na yung nag-ayos noong anong sitwasyon nilatag niya. Okay? Iniisip mo lang naman yung kapakanan nung nakaraan, yung nakakarami. Yeah, Libra. Nangangati pa yung lalamunan ko. Okay. Tignan natin. Bakit naging karma. Ano ba tong karmang dumating kay Libra na favorable sa kanya? Ano bang ginawa niya? Deserving ba ni Libra ito? Oh, it's a lesson learned. Okay? Now, remember mga kapatid, minsan yung lahat tayo, meron tayong stage na ganyan na it's a life lesson. Okay? Merong mga wrong choices, or we've been too overly nice, or we've been into, depende po yun sa decision natin kasi in the past eh. Okay? So, yun na lang DPWH. So, nagnakaw. So, ang karma nun is kalaboso sila. Pero na kapag naging sila, state witness sila, libre sila, abstain. Okay? That's also karma. Ngayon, hirap ng daigdig po ba? Hirap mabuhay. Okay. So, you're also on that stage, Libra. Okay? So, pero ikaw, I can see, Libra, here na talagang binuhat mo lahat talaga ng problema na hindi mo naman para sa iyo. Yeah? Okay. So, tanong natin. So, anong next thing? Ano pa dapat malaman ni Libra sa situation niya? Okay? You have that Saint Gabriel who is telling you and shouting, Libra, okay, yung karma mo dumating na. Okay, so, it's time for you to go solo. If you're looking for that independence and start a new beginning, to create your own foundation, okay, kung palagi na lang ikaw, it's time for you to grow your own pentacles. Yeah? Okay? You've been pushing yourself hard. You see that soiled, ayan yung mga lupa, oh, okay? That's your hand, Libra. Okay? So, yung pagtsatsaga mo na pag-grow noong prutas na yun, noong puno, that takes a lot of effort, okay? Mas lalo na yung stage ng aanihin mo. Yeah? Hindi dumating to ng ganito kung hindi ka nagpunlan, kung hindi ka naghirap. That's why you already showing here na napagod ka na. So, you just need to reap What you sow is what you will reap, yung aanihin. Okay? Hindi ka lang nagtunganga dito, nakipagtalo. You fought for it. Ayan, oh. You fought for it. Okay? Miscommunication, you always prove na tama ka, palagi na lang, na talagang dumating sa extent na talagang masuka-suka ka na talaga na you keep on pushing yourself para makuha mo yung finish line. Yeah? Okay? Kung ano yung wish mo rito, to want to achieve, eto na yung reward mo. This is a new beginning. So, if you're looking sa new family who's merong issue about having a child, di ba may effort din po yun? How to conceive a child and start their own family. And then the fruit of your gastos, late pagsasaliksik o paano ka maghahanap ng doktor, pambayad ng ng gamot, etc. Yung universe na nagsabi na, okay, Libra, so your effort has been your effort is being rewarded. Si San Gabriel nila nagsasabi, okay, kunin mo na yung karta moneda mo. Okay? Wait, let's go somewhere else. Yeah? This is a powerful one, Libra. So, yan ba yung situation mo ngayon, or you want to get that reach that stage? Okay? So, October 15 to 31, what else do you need to know, Libra? What else do you need to know, Libra? Okay? Ano yung setback? Ano yung challenges? Ano yung hidden message, dark side? Okay? Meron po tayong ganyan lahat. Okay? What's the hidden angle on this one? Okay? What's the trade-off ni Libra? Okay? Mukhang lahat po may trade-off. Nothing is free. Tama po? Okay, Libra. What's the trade-off? You get the judgment call. I know you work hard. Okay? Meron kang no chance to redeem yourself. This is redemption. Okay? What's the trade-off? Okay? What's the trade-off? Okay. Okay. Tignan natin. Bigyan mo ako ng isang card. Last card. I just want to see. Message lang kay Libra. What's the trade-off for Libra? Okay. What's the trade-off? Okay, hindi na siya magbibigay ng nakukulitan na siya sa akin. Binigay niya na lang na napagod ka. Napagod ka. So, ayaw nang i-complex noong spirit yung what you're going through. Kaya binigyan ka ng a second chance to redeem yourself, to have a new beginning. Napagod ka, and you've been carrying a lot of that. So ready ka na to accept that prosperity. Definition mo, iba-iba po ng definition ng prosperity or new beginning. Okay? Ito yung nag-research, naghanap ng solusyon, nagsunog ng kilay, tinrabaho mo, bam, judgment. You did the right way. Okay? Sa relationship, you try hard to build that family. Wala namang masyadong problema, normal family dynamics, pero minsan dumarating yung miscommunication, which is normal, and you've been carrying that heavy load, being lahat ng problema ng pamilya pinasan mo. Okay? So that's the energy here, like any OFW. Okay? So you have okay. So message for October 15 to 31 is, whatever you are waiting na parang ako naman, kailan kaya yung darating yung para sa akin? That's the question na in-answer ni Archangel Gabriel here. Okay? Naghintay ka, nag-apply ka sa migration, etc. Nag-apply ka sa trabaho, October 15 to 31, okay? Hindi mo kailangan i-claim Libra. Kasi darating siya. Kung ano man yung employer na in-applyan mo way back, ito na yung sagot. Akala mo na-delay. Yeah? Akala mo wala na. Okay? Anything na wish fulfillment mo. Again, 3 plus 3. 3 months before yung birthday mo and 3 months after, that's the time before is the manifestation at saka sa pagtatanim. Okay? Pagtatanim ng intention. And during your birthday period, that's the time you're gonna harvest. You claim that one. That's how you harvest yung fruit of labor, and it's always how the cycle of the life basically. Yeah, you gone through that. Kaya nasa judgment ka na. Yeah, and after this is the world. You pass through the circle of life. Okay, Libra. So I hope it makes sense. So this is Libra na you know what, kasi Libra biirang air sign, I seldom see this type of energy kasi yung headspace mo hindi ko nakita dito Libra na I'm not saying natin hindi kayo nagtatrabaho ng mahusay or mabigat, ito yung talagang kailangan magdumi yung kamay, okay, literally, okay. Hindi ito yung hindi ito yung papogi or paganda or something. I'm not saying na mag-anon tayo, no? Pero this is hard work. Okay, Libra. Tingnan natin yung last message ng moon. Final lang. Okay, October 15 to 31. Bago ako maghapunan. Okay, weekend ko lang po ginagawa ito kaya pagod din. Nakapag na ako laundry. Last message. Okay, ito na. Okay, Capricorn. Okay. May Capricorn ka. Another, this is Earth sign. Ito ba yung boss mo? Any connection na mayroong Earth sign? Okay. Taurus. Capricorn. What's the other one? Okay. So ito yung kaibigan mong Capricorn. Put aside emotional concerns and focus on achieving or increasing financial security. Yeah. I think that's what you've been doing. Okay? Very straightforward. Okay? Wag ka nang you don't need to claim it. And I'm not saying na hindi mo i-claim, kasi iba yung, okay, this is what I'm gonna tell to everybody. Claim, okay? I've been hearing that. Claim. Okay? Nagsaka ka ba to claim that, fruit? Okay? This Libra na hanap ko, na nasa harap ko po ngayon, yung kalabaw, ayan, no? Okay? Literally, okay? These are the hands of a soiled person. Hindi ko masabing nagsasaka po kayo, okay? Ito yung walang time na kumain, walang time na magmerienda, walang time na magpahinga, okay? Ayoko sabihin nagpaalila or what, okay? Ginawa niya what necessary, okay? And Libra, this is your time. On October 15, you put that on your calendar, you're gonna have that call, okay? The judgment call. It will babagsak na sa mo to. In two hands, it will be offered to you. Lahat, anything na you've been trying to tinanim mo 3 months ago, okay? Very fast. Okay, so October 15 to 31, Libra, happy birthday. Continuation ito ng birthday wish mo Iba yung energy ni Libra. You're very strong now. I do not know ano ba yung planetary alignment ngayon, Libra. So, my sister also a Libran. Nakikita ko yung birthday gift niya. So, ingat po. So, October 15 to 31, salamat po. See you again.